Hi, in this video, we will see a interesting texture, water resistant texture study in this video. See, when we apply water resistant object on the paper, it will resist water. So when we add colors to it, it will become a artwork, right? So like that, in such cases, what are the things we can use to make such type of texture artwork? I'll be using candle. This is normal candle, which is made up of wax. Now, what I'll do, I'll give some textures. I'll add some texture like this. I'll add lines like this. Okay. So this won't be visible now. Eventually, when I start adding color, watercolors, it will start pop up from the paper. Now, what we'll do, we'll take colors. You can use any type of colors you want. I'm using base color as lemon yellow. I'll take little bit of lemon yellow, very little bit of lemon yellow, and I'll add water to it. Yes. And I'll start adding here. So the places where I want white color itself. Okay. At that stage, I can use this type of technique. I don't want to color anything. I want it to make it highlight only. At that stage, we can use this type of technique. Okay. Now, what I'll do, I'll again take sap green, sap green to the palette, watercolor sap green, and I'll add little bit of water to it, and I'll add texture to it. I want complete greenery backside of the white spaces. So I'm adding some texture like this. And also down here, I'll add greenery for the grass part. Okay. Now I'll increase the intensity of the color. See, any layer you are applying. Okay, how many washes? Many washes you can apply. But when you apply the wax, that part will be in white color itself. You can't. Yes. Okay. After that, you just clean the brush. And if you have paints gray, you can use gray color, any gray type color, or you can mix black and white to achieve the green. Okay, just I'm directly using the gray which is having in my palette. So this is a wherever the white spaces I left, there and all I'm adding the light branches like this. Okay, now here also you can do the same thing by cleaning the brush and take the green itself. You can add green grass structures. No need to add any exact grass. Just mm, okay. Now on the water resistant we added, right? Where you can lift the color with the tissue so that it will start looking little bit white, more white. And to make it little more copper, I'll add little more greenery to it. Now I'll take little bit of Persian cobalt blue hue and I'll mix it with green, little bit of green, so that I can make little bit of ultramarine green to show that. Here also I have added a little bit of resistant color, resistant wax, that is normal candle wax you can use. Mhm. Just a little bit of blue, then it comes down. So now I just give it the wave structures wherever the resistant is there, a bit of wave or ripple structure. You can use your own ideas and your own observation, how you observe the lakes. Okay, lakes will be very pleasant with different colors. You can see. I'm taking gray, paints gray, using paints gray here. So that's it. So this is the way which you need to do when you are working with the water resistant tool. That is, we have taken wax candle, normal wax candle we have taken. Okay. So you can create like this beautiful artworks of your own imagination. So that's it. Try it, enjoy the process, and you can use your own colors, own way of approach you can do with the help of wax candle. Okay. And try more artworks, enjoy the process, learn more. Thank you.